Boys and girls, and welcome to Golden Guitar. I'm very happy you found me here. Perhaps you search for Ruger, Love Again, and you come right here to Golden Guitar. Nice to see you, and let's take a look at this 3-chord song. We're going to use a capo set on the 6th frets, very high up, to get the easiest chords possible and to match up with the sounds. That's the reason. Let's put that on and go into the 3 chords. We're going to look at F first, and that's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the 1st fret where you cover all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the next A minor chord, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is G, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Alright, so that's the chord progression throughout this song, and we're going to learn the strumming now using the first F chord. So grab that one, and one string around is very, very common for these kind of rhythms. It goes... Okay, so that goes 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. A couple of rounds goes like this. I played 4 string rounds for F, and that is exactly what you're going to do as well. Then you're going to shift chord to A minor and play 2 string rounds, and then finally G, 2 string rounds, and that's it. So F4, A minor 2, G2, round and round and round like this. Alright, so that covers Ruger, Love Again. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and until next time, play tuned.